Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So I recently bought this cordless 18 volt Einhell grass trimmer. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this tool. So I've bought myself a new strimmer for the garden. It's an Einhell 18 volt strimmer with a 24 centimeter diameter head on it. It's tiltable, plus 90 degrees, and the model is GE-CT18Li Solo. So this is the bare bones unit. There's no battery and charger included, but it works with the power exchange range of batteries. It says on the box, German design quality by Duo Design, the industrial design company. Here's a few illustrations on the box displaying some of the features. There's the tilt and turnable feature. It's telescopic. It's got the flower guard, the little window to store your accessories, and that it requires 1x 18 volt battery. So let's open up the box and take a closer look. So out of the box then, we've got the instruction manual, all the paperwork there. Here is the strimmer itself. The handle in the strimmer has a little window that you can open and you can store your blades in there. So this uses, instead of strimmer line, it uses these little attachable plastic blades that spin round. You get plenty in there to get you going. And here is the guard. I suppose you could call this the flower guard. And this part pulls out just so you've got a guide so you don't go too close to things like brick walls and damage blades. There's already one installed, one of these little plastic strimmer things, fully adjustable. And what I'll do now is I'll get the guard on and get it all set up. So now it's all set up and ready to go. Just to briefly summarise the features on this machine, you've got a safety double switch here with a rubberised handle. Battery goes in here. You've got this quick release adjustable handle, so you can slide it along the shaft to adjust the height of it, and then you can adjust the angle as well with this quick release lever here, and you can store all your spare plastic accessories in this little window box here. There's adjustment along the shaft here to increase the size of the shaft, so you can increase the length and lock that down. And then there is adjustment on the head here. If you pull this out, you can tilt the head how you want it, and you can also tilt it in this way as well with this big button at the front here. You can pull the head down or up, and the headlight clicks into place with preset angles. So that's the basics of the machine. So now let's give it a test. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So first impressions, I think it's pretty good. The head isn't the biggest. I've used a bigger head which cuts the grass faster. So I think this is ideal for small areas, small gardens, not for big lawns, that sort of thing. It's got plenty of adjustments on it for height and the angle of the handle. You've got all those spare little red plastic cutters to get you going for a season or two, so you don't need to worry about that, and you don't need to worry about changing wire. These are much easier, they just pop on the head. All in all, I think it's pretty good. Noise wise, it's pretty quiet for a grass trimmer in my opinion. I've had louder ones. The flower guard works well, and there's not really much more to say about it. If you've got a small patch of grass that you don't really need a grass lawnmower for, then this might be good for you. I don't really have enough grass for a lawnmower. This does the job just fine, and on a 2.5 amp hour battery there was still 2 bars left, so there was plenty of power still left in it, so it's pretty good on battery too. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.